If you want to know how you can make more money as a coach, you're watching the right video, so keep watching. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the pros and cons of 3 ways you can make more money, actually in any business, but I'm going to relate them specifically to a coaching type of business. No matter if you're a new coach, just starting out, or if you've got a well-established business, I'm going to show you 3 ways you can make more from your coaching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm Trevor Emden, marketing coach to coaches and entrepreneurs. Please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and make sure to hit the little bell icon so you'll get notified by YouTube when I post new marketing tips videos. Okay, let's start by considering the 3 ways any business makes more money. There are only 3, and I learned these from the great marketing guru, J. Abraham, many years ago. First, you can raise your prices. Secondly, you can get more customers, or in our case, clients. And thirdly, you can sell more to the clients you already have or have had. So let's take those one at a time and see how they apply to coaching. Raising prices is an obvious one, and it has its downsides, of course. Many coaches are undervaluing themselves, that's for sure. Pricing is a topic that needs more than I can cover in a short video, not because it's hard to work out the numbers, but because so many coaches are scared to charge what they're worth. For now, let me say this. If you have clients and you're not earning enough to live on, a situation I got stuck in for several years, there's almost certainly something wrong with your pricing. Now, on the other hand, you may be in a position where you've reached the ceiling of your pricing, and that, of course, is the downside of the pricing option. You can't go indefinitely raising them, just as you can't continually drop your prices unless you want to go broke. So let's examine option 2, get more clients. If you do group coaching, as for example Amy Porterfield does, then theoretically there's no limit to the number of new clients you can add to a group. If you don't know who Amy Porterfield is, you should definitely check her out. At the very least, subscribe to her podcast, Marketing Made Easy. I'll put a link in the description. But if you're doing one-on-one work, clearly you're going to run out of space as well as energy. And besides, it's easier said than done. If you want my tips on how to get more clients, watch this video. I think it'll come up that side. So, raising prices not only takes nerve, although it can definitely be done within reasonable limits, but there is a limit. So you can't do it indefinitely, even if you've got nerves of steel. So what's our third option then? If you recall, that's to sell more to past or existing clients. You already have a relationship with them, so that makes absolute sense. Now, there are 2 questions you're going to ask. One is, what would I sell them? And the other is, what if I'm just starting out and I don't have any clients, past or present? Okay, well, the easiest way to know what to sell them is to ask them. Put together a quick survey. You can do it in Google Docs or use a free SurveyMonkey account. Don't just ask an open-ended question like, what do you want, though? Think of things you've solved or which you've learned that you could help with, and give them an A, B, or C kind of option. For example, I might offer to improve sales copy on a website, make someone's LinkedIn profile more compelling, or perhaps help with video marketing. By doing that, you'll only get responses from people you know you can help. Put together a package, or maybe create a short course you can record and sell over and over again, and you have something you know people want. So you're pretty much guaranteed some sales. As for the other question, what to do if you're new and have no clients, well, start with who you do have. Where do you have a following? Who knows you? Who do they know? Make contact and ask for referrals. We don't live on an island by ourselves. Just ask. You'll be amazed who'll appear out of the woodwork to help. Have I opened up your thinking? Are new possibilities jumping into your mind right now? This is just the tip of the iceberg. I can help you with a whole lot more and get your business thriving quite probably in a matter of weeks, and all without advertising. If you're starting out on a tight budget, most of us do, so I know that trap and how to get out of it. Let's talk. There's a link appearing on the screen right now, although you can't click that one, but I'll put the same link in the description. Just click it and schedule a call with me. It's not a pushy sales pitch. I don't believe in those, and besides, I hate it when anyone does that to me. If I can help, I will. And if at the end of that conversation we both feel we'd like to explore working together, that's a conversation we can have. No pressure and no disguise about that. I've told you up front what's going to happen. So you have absolutely nothing to lose and total transparency about what's going to happen. So scroll to the description below this video, assuming you're watching on YouTube, click the link and let's talk.